This very well may be the most important video I ever put out. This video is about attention. Your attention is very valuable. I want you to understand that where your attention has been has helped to shape your life into what it is now. In Neville Goddard's book, Feeling is the Secret, there is a great quote where he says, "Mastery of self-control of your thoughts and feelings is your highest achievement." Okay, it is extremely important that you are working on mastering your thoughts and feelings and your attention. And I want you to think about what kind of thoughts you've had today or in the last week or where your attention has been. This is very important because what you focus on expands. What you think about, you bring about. I want you to think about what your life is like right now. Is it the life of your dreams? If it's not, then you need to know the reason you're not manifesting your dream life is because you probably aren't thinking about what you want to have happen consistently, and your attention, your thoughts are all over the place. Let me ask you this, are you the master of your mind? Are you in charge of your thoughts and your attention, or is it controlling you? If you don't have the ability to control your mind and your thoughts the way you want to, then what you create in the world is going to be very accidental and all over the place. Controlling your mind and focusing on what you want is going to create the world you want. I've been a huge fan of Neville Goddard for a long time now, and I want to read to you some passages that I think are really important from his book, The Power of Awareness. And in The Power of Awareness, he says, "Your imagination is able to do all that you ask in proportion to the degree of your attention. All progress, all fulfillment of desire depend upon the control and concentration of your attention. Attention may be either attracted from without or directed from within. Attention is attracted from without when you are consciously occupied with external impressions of the immediate present." And he says that it is obvious that in the objective world, your attention is not only attracted by, but is constantly directed to external impressions. But your control in the subjective state is almost non-existent, for in this state, attention is usually the servant and not the master, the passenger and not the navigator of your world. What he's saying is that if you don't control your thoughts and feelings, then outside circumstances will. If you're just distracting yourself all the time on your phone, looking at dumb stuff or on Netflix or Instagram or TikTok, then you're not going to be able to concentrate on what you want and manifest that. That Netflix or Facebook or TikTok is taking your attention away, okay? The distractions are keeping you stuck where you are. They are not helping you to change your future. You need to take control of your brain. Taking control over your life starts with taking control over your body and mind. He also says there is an enormous difference between attention directed objectively and attention directed subjectively, and the capacity to change your future depends on the latter. When you are able to control the movements of your attention in the subjective world, you can modify or alter your life as you please. But this control cannot be achieved if you allow your attention to be attracted constantly from without. Each day, set yourself the task of deliberately withdrawing your attention from the objective world and focusing it subjectively, focusing on what you want. In other words, concentrate on those thoughts or moods which you deliberately determine. The day you achieve control of the movements of your attention in the subjective world, you are master of your fate. So when you are becoming master of your attention, you will be able to direct it to what you want, and then you'll be able to create the world you want. This is really big. So definitely think about where is your attention lately. Think about what your thoughts and attention have been on. Has it been on what you want for a long enough time to attract it? How manifestation works is that you need to be able to focus on one thing in one direction and keep it unwavering in that direction for a certain period of time. If your attention has been all over the place, then what you need to be doing every day is taking a part of the day to work on taking control back from your monkey mind, working on training your brain. Take a few minutes every day to choose what you are thinking about, maybe a feel-good thought or something that you're grateful for or something you want to attract into your life. If you've never tried meditation, then I highly suggest you try it. You can do just a few minutes a day, what it does is help you control your thoughts. When a negative thought pops up, you say, no, thank you. I'm going to think about good things and what I want in my life. You take back control, and once you practice this for a while, it becomes much easier. You want to do your best to be thinking about what you want to manifest and be feeling good and feeling as if you already have it and how great that feels. And you want to hold on to that. That is going to bring magic and miracles into your life. You want to hold that thought in your imagination and feel those good feelings. And when your mind tries to introduce some kind of negative thought, you say, no, I'm going to think about what I want and feel good instead. And a great way to help keep you in that feel-good state about what you want are affirmations. Saying affirmations to yourself, listening to affirmations subliminals on this channel, or any affirmations channel you like on the topic of what you want to manifest. And that keeps you in that high vibrational state, thinking about what you want. Also great are guided meditations, journaling, writing down what you want. Remember that your capacity to change your future depends on directing your attention internally to what you want. If you're feeling negative, change your feeling state internally and stop being a servant to your monkey mind and start being the master of it. Concentrate on good things. That is going to help you manifest your dreams. When you just find yourself picking up your phone to look at it for no reason or getting on Netflix for no reason, stop yourself, take control of your thoughts and direct them towards what you want and hold that. That is going to make you so powerful. This is something that isn't really taught to most of us. We just become servants to our world and everything that's happening around us. There's so many things trying to get our attention all the time. You have to be the gatekeeper and direct it to what's beneficial to you. To be able to control your mind, it's very difficult at first, but as you start controlling where your attention is going, it's going to become much easier. You change it so now you are the master of your world and not the servant. Remember that what you feel, you attract. What you think, you become. What you imagine, you create. So spend some time every day working on controlling your attention and concentrating your attention on what you want. I love you all. Thank you so much for watching this video. Write down in the comments what you think. And if you have any insight on this topic, I'd love to hear it. Thank you so much.